everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty and delicious salmon recipe. This recipe is for all those seafood lovers. Please try it and you're going to love it. It will be coconut salmon fish. Coconut powder, we're going to do the nice coating with the coconut powder. Salmon, this is skinless, boneless. 2 eggs, we're going to use butter. You can skip it if you don't like it. Vegetable oil. Only spices I'm going to use: sea salt, black pepper, garlic, and ginger. First step will be we're going to break open the eggs. I'll add all the spices. You always can adjust according to your taste. I'm using ginger, 1/4 teaspoon, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, sea salt, 1/4 teaspoon. With the help of whisk, we're going to beat it well. Mix it well. Egg is nicely beaten. Now we'll bring the salmon paste. Put the salmon inside like this. In the egg mixture, we're going to leave it for 10 minutes. Flip it over. After 5 minutes, I'm going to come back and I'll flip it over. Waiting for 10 minutes. Now we're going to lift it up. This is the coconut powder. We're going to do the nice coating. And we'll put the coconut on top of it. It's going to be nicely coated. Then shake up the extra. Look at this. Perfect coating. And I'll place it in plate. Spread it evenly again. Same thing, same process. When you put it on top, you don't have to press it too hard. Just tap it like this. So now lift it up and do it like on the side. So this is the perfect coating. Shake up the extras. Look at this. Very nice. Now we're going to pan fry these. Start burner and bring your gas to low. Place it fry pan. I'm going to use the screen splatter. Add 1 teaspoon vegetable oil and 1 teaspoon butter. As it heats up, we're going to make sure the butter is nicely melted and also the bottom is nicely covered. Now on a low gas, we're going to bring the coconut salmon. Just slide it off, just like this. Now we're going to cook it for 3 minutes. Put the screen splatter on top and exactly 3 minutes, then we're going to flip them over. It's exactly 3 minutes cooking. I'll open. And now we're going to flip these over. Look at that nice color. This is a good reason not to move these. And now we're going to look at that. Perfect. Tilt the pan, and this is the butter and oil mixture, and also the oil came out of salmon. Just put it on top of it. And now we're going to cook on this side for 2 minutes. Cover with the lid and cook it for 2 minutes. Another 2 minutes. Altogether, we cook it for 5 minutes. You don't want to cook it too long. Within 5 minutes, this fish is all ready. But we're going to give 1 more minute, like we are putting on the side, like this. So within 6 minutes altogether. So like this. So give like a 10-second on this side, and the same thing, we're going to turn it over, and look at this. Nice. Same thing on this one. Just keep it on the side. So I'm going to turn off the gas. I have my serving platter ready. and I'm going to dish out. Look at this, very delicious. The salmon, coconut salmon. Look at this. Very delicious. Let me share with you. Our delicious and very tasty coconut salmon pan fry is all ready. Please try it. Within 5 to 6 minutes it's all ready. I hope you like this recipe. Like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.